Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I am going to show you how you can clone GitHub repository using ssh-add. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So if you don't know what ssh is, then let me explain you in short. Actually, ssh is a protocol, or it is a method for secure remote login from one computer to another computer, and it protects the communication security and integrity with strong encryption, and it works on the basis of client server model, which means that the connection is established by the ssh client by connecting to the ssh server and uses public key cryptography to verify identity of the ssh server. So if you want to learn more about ssh, then I will provide the link in the description where you can learn more about ssh and how it works. So without any delay, let's move on to our tutorial. So to clone a repository using ssh, you must have git. Okay, I hope you guys have git installed in your device. If you don't have git installed, then be sure to install and set up git in your computer. After this, open your C drive and go to users folder, and here you may see this folder named .ssh, and if there is no any folder with this name .ssh, then go and create new folder named .ssh and open that folder, and here you have to create a new file named id underscore rsa. So this folder is empty as of now, so let me create a new file first. So first of all, let me create a text document, and I will remove the extension while saving. Okay, so simply id here. Now let me open this in notepad, and now click on file, save as, and to give or type file, enter the file name in between quotes, okay, like this, id rsa, and now click on save. Okay, let me delete this text file, and here we have a new file, empty file of name having name id underscore rsa. So open git bash in the current directory and enter the following commands. I will provide the command in the description below so that you can copy and paste these commands. And the first command is ssh-agent. So make sure that you are entering these commands in git bash. It will not work in command prompt. Okay, so if you enter the same code in command prompt, then you can see a error like ssh-add command not recognized or something else. So after this, type /t, okay, -t rsa -b 4096 capital C, and inside quotation enter your email address. Okay, let me enter mine. Now hit enter. Okay, this will simply generate public and private RSA key pair. Okay, so enter a file in which to save the key. Okay, so you can simply hit enter to save the file, save those keys in this file, okay, id underscore rsa. Now hit enter. So here it says id underscore rsa already exists, so it already exists, we have just created. Okay, now click on, okay, enter y, so that the file will be overwritten with the new content. Now if you want to make it more stronger, then you can enter passphrase, or you can leave it as it is. Okay, let me hit enter without adding any passphrase. Okay, so finally our public and private key is generated successfully. Now we have to add the public key in our GitHub account. So let's find our public key. Okay, so actually we have our public key in this id underscore rsa, and this is publisher type. Okay, Microsoft publisher document. So now enter this command to know the status of our ssh agent. So the command is eval string and inside parenthesis ssh dash agent dash yes. Okay, our agent is running and it is having id 1211. So let's add the key. Okay, so for this enter the command ssh dash add space. Now here you have to provide the directory. Okay, so for us it's ssh. Okay, here is our folder /.ssh. Now let's go inside the file id dash rsa. So let me hit enter. Okay, I have an error, no such file or directory. Okay, so let me correct this. Okay, actually I am already in this directory, so I don't need to add this. ssh-add id underscore rsa. Now we can see the information identity added id dash rsa, and here is our email address. Now let's inspect the content of our public key. Okay, so for this enter the command cat and id underscore rsa dot pub. Now here is our public key, and let's copy this public key and paste this in GitHub. Okay, so let me copy this. Now open your browser and go to github.com and go to settings. And here you can see the option of SSH and GPG keys at the left hand section. Click there and now click on new SSH key, and you can give any title. For now let me give my computer name HP, and here you have to paste the key. Okay, now click on add SSH key. So here you have to enter your password to confirm access. So let me confirm this. Now on this SSA fingerprint is successfully added. So let me go back to repository that I want to clone or download using SSH. Okay, here I have a repository, so let me clone this using ssh. Okay, so to clone using ssh, click on this green color button and now select. So by default it is in https, so now we are going to use ssh. So let me switch to ssh and copy this link. Okay, now go to the directory where you want to clone this project. Okay, let me clone this in the desktop or simply inside this folder named Flutter projects. Okay, so let me open git bash here and let's enter a command git clone and paste the URL. So you can give a separate name if you don't want the default name as repository to this project. Okay, let me go with the default name. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, here we have the authenticity of the host. github.com cannot be established by key fingerprint. This key is not known by the other names. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Okay, let's hit enter. Yes. So as you can see here, we have successfully cloned this project using ssh. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.